Let's be real, keeping your home clean is a never-ending task. The dust, the pet hair, the crumbs, they're back before you even put the broom away. What if I told you there's a smarter way? One that cleans for you so you can spend less time sweeping and more time enjoying life. Meet the ILIFE V20, your hands-free, worry-free cleaning partner. Let's dive in and see exactly why this little powerhouse is about to change the way you clean. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. With the ILIFE V20, you get the robot vacuum itself, a charging dock with an adapter, a remote control for manual operation, 2 side brushes which we will attach in a moment, a mop cloth for wet cleaning.
It also comes with 2 HEPA filters, perfect for trapping fine dust and allergens,
A dustbin and water tank, a cleaning brush for maintenance, and of course, the user manual. Everything you need to get started. Setting up the ILIFE V20 is super simple. First, plug in the charging dock and place it against a wall for stability. Next, attach the side brushes. They snap right into place. Then, place the robot on the dock to charge fully before first use. While it charges, let's set up the remote and controls. You can start, stop, change modes and adjust suction power right from here. And if you prefer, you can control everything manually. Once the battery is full, we're ready to roll. Now let's talk about what makes the ILIFE V20 stand out. SOF Technology. The V20 is built with SOF navigation, meaning it avoids furniture and obstacles efficiently, reducing collisions. No more bumping into walls or getting stuck under the couch. 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping. You don't just get vacuuming, you get mopping too.
Simply pour water into the water tank, attach the mop cloth and let the V20 handle your hard floors.
Slim design. 8.3 cm height. Perfect for reaching under beds, sofas and other tight spots where dirt hides.
Multiple cleaning modes. The V20 offers 4 cleaning modes to suit your needs. Auto mode cleans the entire room efficiently. Spot cleaning focuses on a small area with concentrated suction. Edge cleaning moves along walls and corners to remove hidden dirt. Manual mode. Use the remote control to navigate the robot exactly where you want it to go. Whether you want a full room sweep or a deep clean in one area, the V20 has you covered. Long battery life. The ILIFE V20 is built to clean your entire home in one go, without constant charging interruptions. Designed for efficiency, it handles both daily messes and deep cleans with dependable battery support. And when the battery is running low, it automatically returns to the charging dock to recharge itself. Remote control operation. The included remote control makes operating the V20 super easy. Start, stop, adjust suction and switch modes all with the simple press of a button.
Large 300 ml dustbin plus 250 ml water tank.
The spacious dustbin means fewer trips to empty debris, and the water tank ensures consistent mopping without frequent refills.
Auto resume functionality.
If the V20 pauses cleaning due to low battery, it will automatically resume from where it left off after recharging. So your floors stay spotless without extra effort.
Don't let the size fool you. V20 packs a powerful punch with 5000 PA suction that lifts dust, crumbs and pet hair with ease.
The ILIFE V20's app puts you in charge. Set cleaning schedules, create no-go and to-go zones, and even highlight messy spots for extra attention. Save your preferences once and the V20 remembers them every time. From real-time tracking to Alexa and Google Home voice assistant integration, it's smart cleaning made personal.
The ILIFE V20 is one of the few robot vacuums that comes with a dedicated remote control. It's a game changer for senior citizens who prefer simplicity and ease over tech-heavy setups. With just a few buttons, anyone can switch cleaning modes, start or stop the vacuum and control it effortlessly from the couch. Now, let's see it in action. We've scattered some dust, pet hair and crumbs to put the V20 to the test. Look at that. The suction is strong enough to pick up fine dust and larger debris effortlessly. The side brushes are great at sweeping dirt from corners and edges. And if you switch to mop mode, it gives your floors a nice polished finish. super convenient. Keeping the V20 in top shape is easy. If you're using the mopping function, make sure to clean the water tank and mop cloth. The side brushes are detachable and can be cleaned easily. Don't use disinfectants or harsh chemicals in the water tank. Plain water works best to protect the internal components. Never wash the HEPA filter with water. Just tap it gently to remove dust.
Always remove the dustbin and empty it before you start cleaning or storage to avoid clogging and odor buildup.
These simple steps go a long way in keeping your robot happy and your home spotless.
So, is the ILIFE V20 worth it? If you're looking for a smart, affordable and efficient robot vacuum with both sweeping and mopping capabilities, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for busy professionals who don't have time to clean every day, pet owners dealing with constant fur and hair, anyone who wants a cleaner home without the extra work. If you're interested, check out the link in the description for more details.